Hello guys, welcome to the first tutorial on DeFi Guy channel. We're gonna show you how to track NFT activities on Astar from the easiest, medium and professional way. So the first tool is to use NFT Marketplace user interface. In this case, we're gonna choose Tofu NFT on Astar. There you can see the hot collections and choose 7 days or 30 days in trading volume. After that, there's the option to click on the View All button, and you can see individually each NFT collection on Astar. And then you can select individually and see the all-time trading volume, the floor price, and how many traded happen. The other options is to access the NFT marketplace called Paras. They're focusing on the WebAssembly side on Astar. Remember that Astar has two virtual machines, EVM and WebAssembly. In this case, we're gonna go and click on the activity button when you can see the activity on how many NFTs are being minted, sold, listed, and transferred. After that, you can go to explore and access the collections. There you can see there's the Usage, NFT, Pink Robot, and Neural Launched. So the third option is to use the Blues NFT Marketplace created by the Astri DAO team. There you can connect your wallet with the option with MetaMask, Rainbow, and Coinbase wallets. After, you can click on View All Collections and see the all-time and 24 hours trading volume. Remember, they are focusing on the EVM side of Astar. Another way to track NFT volume is using a block explorer. In this case, we're going to use Subscam, which is the most popular in the Polkadot ecosystem. Then you can choose which parachain you want to track. We're going to click on Astar. On top, you're going to have the option to track transactions and contracts on the EVM and WebAssembly side. So we're going to choose EVM and access the Contracts tab. A new page is going to appear with a visualization of how many contracts, verified contracts, RC20 tokens, RC721 tokens, and amount of transactions are being done. In this case, NFTs are represented by RC721 standard, which has already 1,525 tokens. After that, we're going to click on the NFT symbol. A new page are going to appear, and you're going to see the symbol, the name, the contract address, the amount of transfers and holders, and the total supply of each RC71 tokens. Remember, that doesn't necessarily mean that all these NFTs have a lot of USD value. They can have a very high transfer activity, but very low USD value in transfer. So the last website is to choose a specialized website for SQL queries. In this case, we're going to use Footprint Analytics. You just log into your page, and then you have the option to use a new chart and a SQL query. We click on the new chart. On the left side, you have the data set from all the major blockchains, EVM or not, and then you can choose individually each table and all the information they have, and you can add for your research. Also, you can submit and upload your data. Then you have this SQL option, which is more complex, but we're not going to do that. We can do in another tutorial in more in-depth. Right now, we're going to just use already being done dashboard for DeFi on Astar. So here you have an example what you can do with this platform. There you can see the market share, the categories, the TVL on all the DeFi protocols being done on Astar. A last observation is that we didn't create an NFT dashboard on Polkadot or Astar network. So if you want to do that on Footprint Analytics, comment below and we can do in the next video. Also, there is the option to go in depth on the Subscam API to have real-time data from the blockchain or all the parachains on Polkadot. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys later.